What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos. Go watch them all, like them all, subscribe, share everything. And yeah, let's get straight into this one without waffling further. So got a Puma box, red and white. Doesn't really need any introduction, it's just a standard Puma box. What's important is what the label says on this pair, and it says Ferrari X-Ray Speed. The color on this is Puma Black and Rosso Corsa. Rosso Corsa sounds serious. The style code on this is 30765701. UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, centimeter 29, and this pair is made in China. Let's get straight into this one. As you can see, black and red straight off the bat. Very clean colorway, if I'm honest. Black and red you can't really go wrong with. This pair is quite nice. We'll just go through all the details now. So it's got the sole. This sole comes on all the X-Ray Speed trainers. So it's just a standard Puma sole. Got a red Puma there, and then the heel is red. The rest is all black. Midsole itself is all white, and then the heel part is red, and then it's got a bit of grey there. That would be slightly different on the inside, which is mostly white, and then just the red bit there. And we've got some leather on the back, some mesh. This should be textured, but it doesn't really feel textured. It gives off like a carbon effect. More leather, and then leather and mesh all around the shoe. Then going on to the laces, they are just a standard flat pair of laces. And then we've got the Ferrari logo on the tongue. So if you like the Ferrari logo, you can always wear this like undone, so you can take out one of the laces from the lace loops, so the top one, then it will be showing. If you want to kind of hide it, you can just have them tied up to the top, up to you. And then the lining as well, if you see the lining, it says Scuderia Ferrari, which is Ferrari. Can't really say anything else about Ferrari. And then same on the inside, but the outside Puma swoosh is grey, the inside is black, plain black, and then it's got the same leather and the mesh. The insole is that standard soft, firm, optimal comfort, the one that's always the comfy Puma insole. If I can get it out. Whoops. Yep, the comfy Puma insole. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. I'll be honest, I think the Ferrari logo is just a bit much, but I thought it would be fun, just to get this pair. Not a bad shoe. I've reviewed plenty of X-Ray Speeds before, so this is just another one on the list. But yeah, let me know what you think about the shoe. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments and then you will see a on foot video. And most importantly, take care, my people.